Hi guys! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Pancake House para itry ang kanilang chicken and pasta all you can every weekend. So for $3.99, may unlimited chicken fillet ka na with pasta or rice na may kasamang garlic bread. Then mag-add ka lang ng 50 pesos if you want to try their bottomless iced tea. Okay? So madalas na kaming kumain dito but it's my first time to try yung kanilang eat all you can na pasta and chicken. So tignan natin kung makakailan tayo. For the meantime, ito muna yung kanilang ibang menu. Pakita ko lang. Okay, so after a few minutes, dumating na yung aming 3 pieces pancake. So, for sharing na lang kami since marami-rami ito. Yan, may butter and maple syrup. Then, dumating na rin yung aming favorite na taco salad. Sobrang sarap ng dressing ito. Ayan. Diba? Napaka-crunchy and ang daming cheese and meron din siyang mga meat. Okay, for the first batch, I ordered spaghetti and chicken. So, bali may kasama na siyang garlic bread and gravy. This is my first plate. Subukan natin. Yan, dumating na rin yung order ni Bon na pork set. Hindi to kasama dun sa kanilang unlimited. Only chicken and spaghetti are included dun sa kanilang unli. So, ayan, may kasamang brownies, soup, and drinks na siya. So, complete set na. Okay, off to my second plate. It's an herb pasta. Tinanay ko yung kanilang herb pasta. So, I don't plan to eat rice, kaya ito muna. Okay, so all in all, naka-4 na plate ako ng chicken and pasta. And I would say na if you love pasta and chicken, napakasulit na nitong deal na ito. Okay? Masarap yung chicken, malutong. Masarap din yung pasta and sauce. Mabilis yung service. So, I think $3.99 is worth it for this unlimited offer. Okay, so that's our Pancake House Unlimited Pasta and Chicken experience. Thank you for watching and we'll see you on the next videos.